Hey, hello guys, how are you doing? This is Swanati. Let's start the video with our motto winning is a choice and we choose to win always. Today, we are going to see about a very short video regarding investment. Before going into that particular stock which gave 68% result in 10 months, let's see some fundamental things we need to know about investment. So, when you're deciding to invest in a stock, you should know about both the fundamental and the technical thing about that particular stock. Okay, so sometimes there with the stock will be having very good fundamental, like a strong result and all, and it should be running in with a very good profit. And if it is in the taking support or breaking resistance, or some bullish pattern has formed like a bull pennant, or bull flag, something like that, then it's advisable for you to invest on that. And also remember that investment does not suit for everybody, like because once you invested in a particular stock, then you have to wait for months to get the returns. It's not like trading, like in trading, once you enter a trade, it will be giving profit or loss within a few minutes or few days or few hours. But in investment you need patience. And also some people will be very bold, or having a strong mind to not to think about that when they are having a position in investment, like but some people, they will get tensed once they entered into investment or trade. They will get tensed. So if you can't sleep properly, or if you're worried about it, your investment or swing trading or investment, like that it means you are not suitable for investment or swing trade or short term trade. So if you can sleep peacefully without worry, or if you have that type of tough mindset, then you can invest or do short term trading. Otherwise that is not suitable, because you will be worrying about that full time, and you can't keep on going like worrying for a long period, right? So it is suitable for the people who have patience, and the people who are very good in understanding the fundamental of the company, and also the technical things, and also who have a strong and a tough mindset. For them only investment is suitable. And also you should not risk the amount which you can't afford to lose. That also you have to consider. And also during investment you have to book profit in time. And also you should have some stop loss. Like it's not like the stock has fall down 10%, then you will be thinking like, okay, I will do some averaging, and then in few days it will go to 20% fall, then you will be in a big loss, right? So they don't do that mistake. Always, whether it is in trading or investment, always you should have some stop loss. Okay, so I have posted a few investment stocks, HSCL and SKM egg products. So go through that if you are interested in investment. So the stock which gave me 68% result in 10 months is Shoppers Stop. So I have purchased it on Muhurat trading. So it is a very auspicious day for investment and also for trading. But it's trading is not possible, because one hour how you can trade. So most of the people who invest, they will invest on that day. Just they will be buying some stocks. But I found it very good, because I bought on that Muhurat day only. At that time itself, it was in uptrend, and it's not a very good right entry, you can say like that, because whenever there is a consolidation breakout or support taken or resistance breakout, and sustaining, means that will be a very good entry. But here it is not. Already the price is in uptrend, and price was in uptrend, and it was not the right entry. So what things we have to see before entering? I check the resistance. So nearby resistance I was checking before entering. If it is something like I am entering around 300, and if I am seeing a resistance around 300, 305 or 306, then it is not at all good, right? So you have to, whenever you are entering, you have to see the nearby resistance. For it should be somewhat far away from your entry. And then what things you have to check is like uh, what other things supported here is like the huge buying volume, and so that volume tells that a lot of investors have taken the position there itself. But still, when the volume was came at that point, still the price was in consolidation, right? So it's not like it was yet to break the bearish trend. The price has fallen down steeply, and it was still consolidating, and it is not broken its bearish um, scenario. So, but the huge volume at that place was the first sign that the investors are entering in that particular stock. So, the consolidation zone I have marked here. So, once it breaks the consolidation, and when since the you have seen the first sign like the investors or big players entry, then once the price breaks the consolidation we can take entry. So it gave two entries. Okay, I have marked it in blue arrow mark. So that level was the right entry actually. But if you are very confident about the fundamental of the particular stock, once you see the big volume from the big players or institutional buying, then you at that time itself you can buy. Otherwise, if you want some confirmation, then you have to wait for the resistance breakout or consolidation breakout, and then you can take entry. So once when I take entry, the nearby resistance was there, so the price was consolidating, and the price fall down slightly, like if since I have bought around 363 to 362, and it fall down nearly 310 or 302 or 6, that level it has fallen down. Since I know my risk level, like as I told you, you should not risk more than the amount you can't afford to lose. So, since I know my risk level, and I am sure about the price will move up, then I was waiting with patience. Then it gave a very big breakout, and after that, once reached the 600, then again a profit booking came, but I am expecting the price to move further up above 600. Right now the price is around 600 only, but it may retrace around 580, and then again it should, if it gains volume, and if it is showing some bullish strength by the candle formation, then it can move further up for another 40 to 80 points. But the taking entry at this level is not that much advisable, because as I told you, there are so many right entries, like on the after the huge volume or after the consolidation breakout, already there are three entries, and after that also it gave it consolidated around my buying level, and again it gave a breakout. That was another entry. And then when it was moving up, and after profit booking, the price fall down. It was somewhat like a what to say, flag, or you can say it a trend line, or bearish channel, or whatever it is. So after that also it gave a breakout. That is another entry. So many entries it has given, and right now it is at the 600, which will be a psychological support resistance zone. So it is very risky. So if it gave a pullback around 590 or 580, and if it does not fall below that, then it will again move further up for another or something like So I am expecting the price to move further in coming days. So this is the trade I have taken. So this is very simple. I haven't discussed about the fundamental things. I just discussed taken a stock which gave a very good returns, and the reasons I have told you, and the right entry. Where was the right entry and all, and those things I have shared with you. Hope it will be helpful for you in future investment. Always. You have to consult your financial advisor before you invest on any particular stock, because you know very well that stock market trading or investment is always risky. That's all for today. This is Swanati signing off. Remember, you can always trade better than you think.